Hey guys, it's me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice. Let's prep for tomorrow. Yuan is yuaning. Fosagra is fosagering. I don't want to charge it anymore. Intel. Yeah. Strong approach, you guys. Strong approach. It's spring the level. It's not tradable just from the this looks like exhaustion. Hold down here. I can't trade it from here though because we need a close manipulation signal on monthly. So that's where we are right now. This volume is weird though. I don't know how to work with it. Transitional extreme, local extreme. Let it decide what it wants to do. Probably August has all potential to become the first month ever since. Gosh. Ever since I took a break for study, for advanced studying. When did I start trading again? January of 2023? Yeah. So I think it would be the first month since January 23, during which I didn't take a single trade. I'm breaking even here, like for small loss, like a cent on a stock, and I'm gonna eliminate it. I'm only left with the fraction. Interesting, but my broker was able to fill me outside of regular hours. During this peak, it sold me. So I lowered to 1681, even though my break even was 1684. But I took a little loss because of how this candle looks, this bar looks on 5 minutes, and it's, of course, it's people who are taking profits for the week, but I don't care. It's okay. I took a little loss. I think it will break. It's not gonna gap, so it would have broke me even, but I don't want to take a risk on this market. Will it close above in the week, or will it break this level? There's the bigger volume in the previous bar, in the manipulation bar, so the whole thing doesn't look good. So I'd rather take a little loss, like micro loss, like, you know, a cent on a share. It's not gonna break my bank. I think I put it here, right? Update idea. I can put it close because I'm left with the fraction of it. Oops, I'm only left with a fraction of a position. Was closed at E1681 during extended hours, and it was funny to see how it was like closing my position by fractions, by like a few hundred shares there, a few hundred shares here, and stuff like that. Yeah, I feel saying it's just a correlation is incorrect. It's the same stock traded on its primary European market. The use daily chart is filled with gaps everywhere. Some European exchange with his harm. The penny. And never mind. I believe you're correct since one marking is in terms of euro. And the anyways, it's the same. Best of luck. Yeah. The main thing is that. STLA and STLA have different liquidity and depth of market. So it's different collection of market participants here in US and where in the stocks are tightly related, though, for sure. And watching, we can give overnight, can give you insights on how it's going to do during the day. For sure, undoubtedly. Good luck. Anyway, I got out at 16 and will remove from my watch list since I want to have a sense. Watch list. I do not do fundamental or news analysis, however, want to have a sense of what's going on in the region the company is, and I have no idea about what's going on in the Netherlands. Analysis. Okay. Yeah, that's how I see it. I can still keep it like on the watch list for now. I just have a fraction, and once I'm done with it, once it breaks me, like closes my position in full, and also like 30% closely held, like no. Dividend yield is something remarkable here, 10%, but no Netherlands for me, please. Block here, product, Roku makes the move. Roku makes the move. So up high there though. Is it fighting any other? Here you go, close the gap. That's what's going on with Roku. Isn't it time to close it? It very well might be. Still looks alright. But yeah, it went to this gap. Close this gap now. It's in this volume zone. And all in all, it looks like extremely weak. We'll see. So I feel like the position is very minimal. It's a discipline. I don't want to just close them as they are and just let them go. I want to roll with the trades till I close them properly. Yeah, I have nothing. I have nothing. So we are at bar. don't know how to interpret it. I wasn't catching falling knives because I don't know how to do it properly. I wasn't deviating from the system, and it so happened that I have no trades. I'm thinking about starting a new watch list of stocks that do not pay dividends, uh, and stocks that I can trade with just stock market, starting from September probably. So like my rule now is I'm only trading stocks from the monthly levels with the stop limit, so like virtual stop, which kind of puts me in position where I can get stuck, aka Intel. Uh, yep. Well, that was a bad trade to begin with. Well, what was what was I thinking here? Anyways, how did I take this trade? This is ridiculous. But yeah, uh, aka all the stocks I'm stuck in here. But yeah, just start trading with the stock market. My statistics is better, and I think my vision of the market improved. So we'll see how it goes. But maybe starting from September, I'll be out for my Vipassana retreat. I'll be back on September 8th. So you guys are here on your own. You'll see me next time, probably on September 8th. No, you'll see me Monday and Tuesday as well. But starting Tuesday, I'll be gone. But yeah, like once I'm back, maybe I'll start looking at stocks that do not pay dividends and start looking short and start looking from neutral zone and continuation of the impulse with stock markets. I don't know how to deal with gaps because like stock market can kill you overnight, can kill me. They normally gap during like earnings, and dividend gaps are the most famous. However, some stocks just gap. Like here. So I don't know, wake up to the like 10% loss in my brokerage account. So I have no idea how to mirror. So like I think like stock market trades can only be like intraday, so that I'm closing the trade by the end of the day. We'll see. I'm still like kind of like flirting with this idea, but it feels like I'll start to widening the range of my possibilities starting next month. I see tomorrow